Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of Kotlin programming language. Here we will see the environmental setup, how to do that. So firstly, we have to check whether we have that installed Java in our system or not. If it doesn't, then you have to install it from Oracle downloads. And let us check that first. So we have to just run the simple commands, that's cd ... and simple run this Java and hyphen version, like that. So here we already have this given Java version is 11.0.2. So finally it is already installed. Next is we have to install IDE. So here I am using that Eclipse IDE. You may use NetBeans as well, and you may go with IntelliJ as well. So these are different IDEs you can use for this Kotlin programming language. So integration is very, very important, that IDE. Here we have this screen for Eclipse when you launch that. So here we have to go for launch the Eclipse marketplace. This is the way you have to just go launch the Eclipse marketplace. And once you click on this, then it will open that following. And finally, it is going to use that we have to first find that concept of different that setups and IDEs. So here this find is given. Already I have installed that Kotlin. So you have to first look for whether it is installed or not. If it doesn't, then you have to install it first. It will take 2 to 3 minutes time. It depends on the internet speed. And once it installed, it will restart the Eclipse, and finally you will get that perspective of Kotlin as an application you may use on Eclipse IDE. So here we have this Kotlin. It is just taking some time. I'm just searching this Kotlin. So we have to type this one and just go, and it will show us that installed. Kotlin is already installed. Yes, Kotlin is already installed. So this means you will see here install first time. So you have to click on this button and finally it will install. Once you have completed this around 5 minutes time, it will restart the Eclipse and it is ready for perspective of Kotlin. I'm just sharing that perspective. Kotlin perspective looks like this way. And here we have this project. So file, new, Kotlin projects we have to select. And this name is already, I have mentioned here, Hello Kotlin, because this is the first program that I am going to compile and execute. So here we have to just give that name to the project name, and under this SRC, we have to right click on this and new and Kotlin file. So here is the Kotlin file. You have to select this and finally give that name extension.kt. And here I have written two line of code, simply function main arguments array string and print that hello world. So once I just run this as Kotlin application, it will run, and here is Kotlin application. So once I click on this, so definitely it shows us that outcome as an hello world. So this is the way you just simply see this. This is the outcome on the console, hello world. So this is the way you just make sure that the Java installation, then the IDE installation, and finally installation of Kotlin IDE on this Eclipse. So here we have one's perspective also. So open perspective, and here others. So here it is showing that Kotlin. Once it installed, then it will be displayed over here. So you may click on this to open this whole that perspective of Kotlin programming and run this on this editor window. So this is the way you simply run your first program. Thank you very much. Try at home and try to just figure out these things. It will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes to install this all, and you will able to run this program. Thank you very much being with me in this session. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may get the notification of the latest uploaded video. Have a nice day. Thank you.